Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Papa Supra, your go-to channel for everything about cars, new releases, used cars, and tips to keep your ride in top shape. Let's see, how does it perform? What are its pros and cons? And most importantly, is it the right car for you? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and grab your coffee or snacks because we're about to break it all down. Let's jump right in. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class EV, officially named the G580 with EQ technology, marks a significant evolution of the iconic G-Wagen, seamlessly integrating electric propulsion while preserving its renowned off-road prowess and distinctive design. Maintaining the classic boxy silhouette, the G-Class EV subtly updates its aesthetics to reflect its electric nature. Notable changes include a revised front grille and aerodynamic enhancements, all while retaining the robust and commanding presence synonymous with the G-Class lineage. Performance and powertrain. Equipped with 4 electric motors, one at each wheel, the G580 delivers a combined output of 579 horsepower and 859 pound-feet of torque. This setup enables precise control of each wheel, enhancing both on-road performance and off-road capability. The G-Class EV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.6 seconds, offering swift and responsive acceleration. Off-road capability. True to its heritage, the G-Class EV excels in off-road environments. The individual wheel control facilitated by the 4-motor setup allows for advanced maneuvers, such as a tank turn, where the vehicle can rotate 360 degrees within its own length by spinning the left and right wheels in opposite directions. This feature, combined with its robust construction, ensures the G580 remains a formidable off-road vehicle. Battery and range. The G580 is equipped with a substantial 116.0 kWh battery pack, providing an EPA estimated range of approximately 239 miles per charge. For charging, the vehicle supports DC fast charging up to 200 kilowatts, enabling a 10% to 80% charge in about 32 minutes under optimal conditions. Interior and features. Inside, the G-Class EV offers a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. The Edition 1 model features a two-tone silver pearl and black Napa leather interior, accented by blue carbon fiber trim elements. Standard amenities include the Active Multi-Contour Seat Plus package, offering 8 massage programs for the driver and front passenger, ensuring comfort during both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class EV is expected to start at $162,650, with the initial offering being the fully equipped Edition 1 model. This edition includes the AMG line and night packages, featuring 20-inch wheels and high-gloss black exterior trim. The G-Class EV is anticipated to arrive in showrooms by late 2024 or early 2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class EV represents a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, delivering electric performance without compromising the G-Wagen's legendary off-road capabilities and iconic design. As Mercedes-Benz ventures further into electric mobility, the G580 with EQ technology stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to evolving its classic models for the future.